Hey, it's Dwayne Desveaux, your Ottawa real estate agent, and today we are located in Richmond Village on the southwest side of the city of Ottawa, and we're going to be taking a look at a home that's for sale. It's a life lease home located in a life lease community here in the heart of Richmond Village. These homes don't come on the market very often, so when they do, they kind of fly off. So I wanted to get in. I wanted to give you an opportunity to take a look around. I know there are a lot of seniors out there who are interested in these types of units. So I'm going to provide you with a sort of an overview of what that looks like. But before we begin, for those of you returning to my channel, welcome back. For those of you who are new to my channel, as I said, my name is Dwayne Desveaux. I'm an Ottawa real estate agent out here traveling around the city, providing as much video content as possible so that you can make informed decisions for your real estate needs. With that being said, let's go take a look at this home. See you at the end of the video. Let's go. All right, welcome to Hyde Park in Richmond Village. As we drive through this peaceful 55 plus life lease community, you'll notice the tranquil streets and the well-maintained homes that create the perfect community to settle in. So the community is fully serviced with a communal well and city sewage, so you won't have to worry about individual well water or septic systems, which is another great aspect of the hassle-free lifestyle in this area. This community attracts active retirees and those looking for a quieter, more relaxed pace of life. The 55 age plus requirement ensures that the neighborhood remains peaceful, and the focus is on the needs of older adults who value community, connections, and a secure living. One point to note, though, this community has the restriction that states no more than 2 people can reside in a unit, with at least one of them being 55 plus. When it comes to purchasing a home in this life lease community, it's important to note that traditional mortgages typically aren't used, so instead you pay an upfront amount to secure your life lease, which gives you the right to live in the home for as long as you choose. A monthly fee covers the comprehensive services provided, including property taxes, lawn care, and snow removal, and much more. This particular structure eliminates many of the uncertainties that come with traditional home ownership, making it a great option for those looking to enjoy retirement years without the burden of ongoing home maintenance costs. So whether you're seeking tranquility, convenience, or community, the 55 Life Lease community here in Richmond Village clearly offers it all. If you're ready to explore the lifestyle a little bit further, or would like to be put on my list so that you're notified when one of these beauties becomes available to purchase, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you make this beautiful community your next home. Okay, welcome to this 3-bed, 3-bath, single car attached garage. As you can see here, the entrance to the garage is on the outside of this unit. There's a patio door on the other side of the unit because it's a end unit, so you'll see that when we go through and have a look. The basement is fully finished. I think you're going to like that. It's got a really nice setup on the inside. So let's have a look. Enjoy. And that's a wrap on our tour of a typical 3-bedroom, 3-bath life lease bungalow here in the heart of Richmond Village in this life lease community would look like. Now, if you're looking to downsize and you're looking for the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and community, this community is definitely worth checking out. And I just wanted to quickly talk about what it is living in a life lease community. I've had a lot of questions about that previously from other clients, which kind of led me to creating this video so that I could inform people before they come across these units. And essentially, living in a life lease community enables you to have all of the benefits of home ownership without the traditional expectations and responsibilities of home ownership, such as maintenance, repairs, etc. So you pay a fee up front to secure the unit, and then you have a monthly payment that covers all the aforementioned things such as utilities, repairs, snow removal, etc. It's a great option for those who, in this particular case, who are 55 plus, looking for a stress-free, community-oriented lifestyle right here in the heart of Richmond Village. Hey, and if you found this video informative and you want to see more, feel free to hit the subscribe button, give the video a like. I enjoy going out, shooting these videos, creating this video content for you so that I'm able to assist you in your real estate decisions. If you have any questions whatsoever about this community, this bungalow, or any other communities throughout Ottawa, please feel free to reach out. I'm always here. We're always here to help. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.